If you want to integrate an AI scribe into an EHR, telehealth app, practice management system, or healthcare platform, there are several ways to do it. The right approach depends on how much control you want, how quickly you need to launch, and whether AI scribing is a core product or simply a feature your customers expect. First, understand what you are actually integrating. A basic transcription API returns text. A complete AI scribe should capture the clinical conversation, separate speakers, generate a structured clinical note, and return data your platform can use in downstream workflows. That distinction matters when evaluating the best AI scribe API. If an API only provides a transcript, your team may still need to build note generation, specialty templates, structured data extraction, clinician review, and EHR writeback. A stronger integration can return the transcript, a SOAP or specialty-specific note, and structured information such as problems, medications, follow-up tasks, or coding signals. There are 4 main ways to add an AI scribe to your platform. The first is a direct API integration. This is usually best for teams that want full control over the interface and user experience. Your product captures the encounter, sends the input to the AI scribe API, and receives the completed note and structured data. The second option is an embedded experience. Instead of building every recording, review, and editing component yourself, you place a ready-made AI scribe workflow inside your product. This can reduce development time while still giving users a connected experience. The third option is a co-branded or white-label AI scribe. A co-branded model presents the feature with the technology provider. A white-label model lets you offer the AI scribe under your own brand. This can work well for EHRs, telehealth companies, and practice management platforms that want to launch quickly. The fourth option is a broader infrastructure partnership. This goes beyond generating notes. Structured encounter data can support coding, documentation checks, follow-up tasks, referral summaries, reporting, and other AI assistant workflows. So how should you choose? Use an API when you have engineering resources and want full product control. Use an embedded or white-label solution when speed to market matters most. Use a co-branded model when you want to test customer demand before investing in a deeper integration. Consider an infrastructure partnership when clinical encounter data will power several parts of your platform. This is where Twofold can help. Twofold supports ambient capture, dictation, medical transcription, clinical note generation, custom templates, and structured encounter data through flexible integration models. And EHR can add an AI scribe directly inside the chart. A telehealth platform can generate documentation after a virtual visit. An RCM company can use encounter data to support coding and claim preparation. A specialty platform can offer documentation designed around its clinicians. So if you are looking for the best AI scribe API or trying to integrate an AI scribe into your healthcare platform, do not evaluate transcription alone. Look at the full path from clinical conversation to reviewed note, structured data, and downstream workflow. The best integration is the one that fits naturally into your product, launches on a realistic timeline, and lets your team stay focused on the healthcare problem you originally set out to solve.